Hello, kids! This is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Today, we're going to practice reading short stories with comprehension check. Are you ready? Let's start. The Farmer and the Bamboo Tree. A farmer planted a bamboo seed and watered it every day. Weeks passed, but nothing grew. Still, he continued to care for it patiently. Months went by, and the soil remained empty. The farmer did not give up. He believed that something was happening beneath the ground. After a long time, a small shoot appeared. In just a few weeks, the bamboo grew very tall and strong. The farmer was happy he stayed patient. He knew that great things take time. His perseverance brought him success. Moral of the story: patience and perseverance lead to great rewards. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did the farmer plant? A. Rice. B. Bamboo. C. Corn. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. Bamboo. Question number 2. What happened at first? A. Nothing grew. B. It grew fast. C. It died. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Nothing grew. Question number 3. Why did the farmer keep watering? A. He believed. B. He was bored. C. He forgot. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. He believed. Question number 4. What happened to the bamboo seed later? A. It stayed small. B. It disappeared. C. It grew tall. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. It grew tall. Question number 5. What lesson did the farmer learn? A. To stop early. B. To be patient. C. To plant more. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B, to be patient. The hard-working sparrow. A sparrow wanted to build a strong nest before the rainy season. Every day, she gathered twigs and leaves. Other birds laughed at her because she worked slowly. Even when the sun was hot, the sparrow continued her work. She stayed patient and never gave up. Day by day, her nest grew stronger. Soon, the rain came. The other birds' nests were weak and fell apart, but the sparrow's nest stayed safe and dry. The sparrow's perseverance helped her succeed. The other birds learned the importance of hard work. Moral of the story: hard work and patience bring success. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. What was the sparrow building? A. A nest. B. A house. C. A tree. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. A nest. Question number 2. Why did other birds laugh? A. She was noisy. B. She was slow. C. She was small. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. She was slow. Question number 3. What happened when it rained? A. Other nest fell. B. The sparrow's nest broke. C. All nests were safe. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Other nest fell. Question number 4. What helped the sparrow succeed? A. Hard work. B. Luck. C. Speed. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Hard work. Question number 5. What did other birds learn? A. To fly fast. B. To rest. C. To work hard. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. To work hard. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share,
and subscribe. God bless everyone.